In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix hitting your Claude Code session limit. If you keep getting told to come back in a few hours even though you feel like you barely used it, don't worry. There's a clear reason this happens, and it's fixable. Let's dive right in. The first thing to understand is that these models don't remember anything between messages, so every time you send one, the entire conversation up to that point gets resent along with it. What you actually typed is a tiny fraction of what you're being charged for. It's everything sitting above it in the thread that's quietly compounding, message after message, until you hit your limit. The number one fix, and it's completely free, is the /clear command. Whenever you wrap up one task and you're moving on to something unrelated, use /clear instead of just carrying on in the same conversation. That old thread isn't harmless just because it's sitting there. It keeps getting resent in full until the session ends. If you think you might want that context back later, run /resume first so you can restore it, then clear with confidence. Next, be careful about switching models or effort settings mid-session, even though it feels like the responsible move when you're getting close to your limit. Your conversation is cached, which makes long sessions cheap to continue. But the model you're on is part of what that cache is built around, so switching models breaks the match and forces your entire history to be reprocessed at full price in one go, which can actually push you toward your limit faster, not slower. Pick your model and effort level once, at the start, and stick with it. Also keep an eye on tool output. If your agent runs a command and gets back hundreds of lines you'll never read, all of that still sits in your conversation from then on. Have your agent build a small filter that trims that output down before it ever reaches your context, so you're not carrying dead weight for the rest of the session. Then there's every tool you've connected, things like Gmail, Slack, or GitHub. Each one loads an instruction manual before your agent can use it, and that adds up before you've even started working. Type /MCP and you'll see everything you've connected with a toggle next to it. Turn off anything you're not actively using. It stays set up, it just stops loading every time. And if you're running anything on a schedule, know that it sends your full context on every single fire, awake or not. Your cache only holds for about an hour, so a task that runs less often than that reprocesses everything from scratch, at full price, every time it triggers. Put those pieces together, clearing between unrelated jobs, locking your model in early, trimming noisy tool output, disabling tools you don't need, and watching your scheduled tasks, and you'll stop bumping into that session limit nearly as often. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.